Another huge domino in the AI versus humans debate has fallen. This time it's drone racing. A study published in Nature just yesterday is breaking insane ground, and you will not believe what these AI drones can do. According to the paper, this is the first time a robot has ever beat a human in a competitive sport. Obviously, the paper mentions the fact that robots have beaten humans at Go or at chess, but those are board games. This is in the real world. You're watching drones beat actual human racers. Now, drone racing, if you're not familiar, is an insanely hard sport. Basically, you wear these little goggles and you're piloting a drone around a very complicated obstacle course, and it is precise. Like, you have to know exactly what you're doing. The AI technique in focus here involves deep reinforcement learning, which is a lot of what you've heard about before. It's what powers self-driving cars. Basically, the more the robot does this, the better it gets at it. This system is called the Swift system, and it makes sense. And it gets around these corners remarkably fast. You can see here in this video how it actually cuts the corners much quicker than the humans can. And again, it's about the consistency. And this gets to the heart of what we think about sometimes with robotics and them competing with us. Eventually, you're gonna see a robot get really good at golf, really good at pitching baseballs, all sorts of this stuff. And the hard part for us to understand is that it can be perfect again and again and again, and that is where it gets tricky. Eventually, this becomes a different sport. Like, there will be like an entire robot Olympics, and we'll just have our own thing. We'll have the human Olympics, we'll have human drone racing, and we'll be able to do stuff on our own because we're just never going to be able to compete. You do have to tip your hat to these roboticists. This is a remarkable achievement. Looking at how fast these drones go and seeing what they can do, it's just a reminder that, like, we are entering an incredibly crazy time right now. If this is interesting to you like it is to me, go read the paper in Nature, go watch these videos, and follow us here for more things like this.